हाँ बाप हेयर स्टाइल कहाँ काटने गया था बाल?
सेम गाय ब्रो, सेम गाय। चलो
Baba looks like a poodle, dude.
कौतुक तू क्या बोला था पहले? बाबा क्या लगता है? इवेंट वेयर टू कट हिज हेयर?
अरे माली के पास गया बाबा, ऐसा मनी प्लांट के साथ थोड़ा ऊपर से काट देना.
Baba's hairstyle is the answer to the question. What happens when you say थोड़ा साइड से कम करना?
सर बाबा डिवाइडर पे खड़ा था, दो बस साथ में गई।
वो कितना अच्छा लग रहा है, लेकिन इधर ऐसा
ऐसे देखो कैसे लग रहा है? तो यहाँ से 70 किलो कम हो गया है और
70
सारा
कहाँ गया?
वेट इधर आ गया।
कहाँ गया? मेरे को मेरे कुत्ते को लेके जाना है। कहाँ गया तू?
Yeah.
मैं ग्रुप पे एक फोटो डाला था ना, उधर लेके जा।
सही है। तो चलो गाइस, फर्स्टली हैप्पी रिपब्लिक डे।
Yes.
हैप्पी रिपब्लिक
हैप्पी
डे।
रिपब्लिक।
अच्छा सच बताओ, किसको मालूम है रिपब्लिक डे क्या होता है? क्योंकि lot of people are confused about what Republic Day actually means.
This is a civics question. It's the day
Yeah.
it's the day our constitution came into effect, right?
Correct.
Now
It's the
Baba
day-
will be like, other 1 second. Let
No,
me
no,
tell
no.
you.
I remember. And when it happened, like when अरे मतलब like when Ambedkar ji like put it down on paper, it was like such a beautiful moment.
It is not just that, guys.
हाँ तो तेरे बाबा, तेरे तो विशेष टिप्पणी के लिए हम लोग रुके थे। बताइए हमें
तुम
क्या
बात
है?
ही नहीं
बताइए।
करने देना। तुम लोग
How
बात ही
was
नहीं
it to
करने
meet Baba Saheb Ambedkar?
and
How was
Baba
it
will
to
be
shake his hand?
देना। Dude, but what a legend, bro. What a legend.
Next level.
Yeah. So
Like, औकात.
absolutely. So yeah, it's the day we decided to become a republic and take our constitution into effect.
But it came into effect in 1950.
Correct.
Yeah,
Because
3 साल लगता है यार इतना. It's the biggest constitution in the world. The most
Of the
America का
largest
बहुत छोटा
democracy.
है. Yeah.
The
If you
7th
can-
largest country in the world.
if you can call it that.
The thing is, no one gives you this context when you're young, no? When you're young, it is just a holiday where your mother wakes you up in the morning and says, "Chal Doordarshan dekhte."
No, it's
नहीं,
also
and we used to go down in the
Bank
building
देखने
for flag hoisting.
Yeah.
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 And
तो standard था।
The reason why they do give you context. It is a 5-mark answer. That is the context. It is a 5-mark answer, which is India is the largest democracy in the world. Why it is like you have to write. That's what it is.
नहीं वही ना, like I feel like Doordarshan waits every year for Republic Day because
Monday.
it's
Independence Day.
it's the only day जिधर सब लोग चल आज लगाते हैं दूरदर्शन, देखते हैं क्या चल रहा है.
बट लेकिन हम लोग की बिल्डिंग में ये होता था कि पहले उठ के जाओ फ्लैग होइस्टिंग के लिए, जन गण मन गाते थे और सबको एक पेड़ा मिलता था, बाप पेड़ा होता था।
अरे,
Okay?
एक
And in the
पेड़ा और
evening,
समोसा।
and in the evening we would have a party, which I never understood about the building I grew up in. Okay, where we never had anything on Independence Day. जब भी हम लोग को actual independence मिला, हम लोग ब्रिटिश के कान पे लात मारा, बोला निकल इधर से, तभी अपने को कुछ नहीं, हम लोग के बिल्डिंग में पार्टी नहीं होता था। लेकिन रिपब्लिक डे पे हमेशा पार्टी। मैं ये सोचता था इन द व्हेन आई वाज यंगर, इट डिडंट मेक अ डिफरेंस, राइट? बट व्हेन यू ग्रो अप यू लाइक, इनको कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन बहुत पसंद है क्या, कि क्या है सडनली कि 26 को पार्टी रखेंगे और इंडिपेंडेंस डे पे नहीं रखेंगे।
अरे 15
You know
अगस्त के
why?
टाइम पे
Why I
बारिश
feel
होता है
is
ना।
नहीं 15 अगस्त के टाइम बारिश तो होता ही है, बट व्हाई इज माय फीलिंग इज के अगस्त के टाइम पे ना यू वुड एंड अप टेकिंग द लॉन्ग वीकेंड, वेयर एज जनवरी में यू जस्ट कम बैक फ्रॉम न्यू ईयर वेकेशन, जो भी सब लोग हॉलिडे
You come back from your New Year vacation on 25th Jan.
No, you just come back in January, so you gotta keep continuing to work ना. January में वापस you can't take another holiday.
सोसाइटी का आदमी को अपना बजट जस्टिफाई करने का, मार्च में बजट क्लोज होता है तो खर्चा करने का उसको पैसा।
पेड़े
Hey, I don't think मेरे सोसाइटी का ऐसा कुछ भी बजट चल रहा है, क्योंकि हम लोग से 500 रुपया पर पर्सन लेते थे उन लोग, तो कुछ नहीं।
But I like Baba's fiscal theory. It's a interesting
कि
theory.
सोसाइटी का बजट है तो उसको मार्च में सब पैसा खर्च करना।
एक चीज है, हम लोग इंट्रो नहीं किए।
ये नहीं होता है दासवारी कोऑपरेटिव हाउसिंग सोसाइटी में।
हम लोग इंट्रो नहीं किए।
Oh,
Hello and welcome.
Okay, चल
According
अभी
to the
करते हैं।
constitution of the internet said so, it is illegal to start a podcast without
Okay, so let's
Varun
go.
saying.
Hello and welcome to another episode of the Internet Said So show. We take random shocking weird facts, as trivia, and opposite stories, and we talk about it. All Indians are my brothers and sisters, and I will swear to defend the constitution. क्या था अपना वो था ना pledge स्कूल में यार?
Pledge.
Oh God.
भूल गया।
India is my country and all Indians
All Indians are my
All
brothers
Indians
and
are my brothers and sisters.
बस
And then
उतना ही
सब
था।
ऐसे left right देखते थे, ये कैसे हो गया?
What?
Yeah.
then
No,
you have
he's
to look at
right.
the girl
Adarsh
you had
is
a
right.
crush on and get confused.
Exactly.
All Indians are my brothers and sisters except you, Sheetal. Not
Yeah.
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 you're my crush. हाँ. क्या बात, तू शर्मा गया? तेरी कोई गर्लफ्रेंड थी क्या शीतल नाम की?
हाँ ठीक है.
I'm like, why? Anyway, चलो हाँ फिर
फिर क्या? फिर कहीं शीतल की शादी हो गई आजकल अभी.
You know, the problem is that
Sheetal is
like
happy.
for Baba, school is so long ago that he doesn't even remember it.
हाँ.
Like it is so distant in the past. क्या है ये सब crush वश यार? छोड़.
नहीं, लेकिन आज रिपब्लिक डे के खुशी पे we are doing India facts. We did some of it in our very first episode, which was almost a year and 3 months ago, guys. Can you even fucking believe that? But now we are doing part 2. This is the only part 2 that we have done.
This
Because
is when
then
we
polling.
became a republic and we shed our colonial past.
और अपने पॉडकास्ट का नया कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन बना. हाँ, तो इंडिया फैक्ट्स करते हैं थोड़ा आज. We'll obviously try and not repeat any of the ones you've done in the first episode,
Of
but
course.
इंडिया बहुत बड़ा कंट्री है, तो बहुत लोग हैं.
पर्सनल स्टोरी रिपीट होएगा 100%.
Of course.
मैंने ये रिपब्लिक स्टोरी बोला होगा शायद कभी ना कभी.
Yeah.
तो बताइए guys, do you know the name India was derived how?
Yes.
थोड़ा स्कूलिंग करते हैं अपन पब्लिक को.
Indus.
India or
From
what?
the Indus
India
River,
was
Indus
derived
Valley and Indus
from
River.
Indus, no? From the
Yeah.
settlers
But also,
around the Indus
India
River.
was not. Yeah, but originally it wasn't we who named it, right? It was the merchants who named India, right? It was based on Indus. So
because
your
everything
Indus
was around
Valley
the Mara.
civilization. Indus Valley civilization 8 मार्क का क्वेश्चन होता था एग्जाम में, guys. अगर तुमको याद होगा तो. Answer in brief about the Indus Valley civilization. उसमें हमें कोई
और वो भी 1.5 पेज लिखता था आंसर इन ब्रीफ लिख के.
हाँ.
You know what?
8
Always,
मार्क के
like,
लिए बेंचोर.
what amazes me is that Christopher Columbus set out to look for us and he ended up finding America. Right? Like it's the first time that someone tried to come to India and went to America rather than the other way around. Like it amazes me.
पहले.
है ना?
Bro, but तभी हम लोग अमेरिका था ना, सब लोग को इधर ही आने का था.
Correct.
spices and everything, yeah. So we were.
अभी भी we produce 70% of the world's spices.
Yeah, and
Yeah.
most of it
Can
is
I
found in mini
also tell
Punjab.
you we are also the third largest? Can I
in
also tell you?
one butter chicken.
I think we've said this before in the podcast, but I think it's important to remember that we are also the third largest exporter of beef in the world, India.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So we've got a lot. I think it's
And that's all we'll say about that.
Milk exporter, बहुत कुछ है.
Like Baba has to take a flight to New York to have the beef that has come from India.
He's following the beef. He's basically Christopher Columbus. This is what-
Baba is like that YouTube fan, you know, who goes all across Europe for all the concerts.
वो एक्सपोर्टर को पूछता है फोन करके, निकला क्या तेरा शिपमेंट? तो ठीक है, मैं पकड़ रहा हूँ एयर इंडिया अभी. हाँ, मैं पीछे पीछे जा रहा हूँ.
अरे क्या मेरे फ्लाइट पे ही है? मेरे फ्लाइट पे ही है?
फ्लाइट पे ही है अभी.
हाँ तो एक्सक्यूज मी एरोस्टेस, वो कार्गो में थोड़ा खाना पड़ा, उसको थोड़ा
नीचे
मस्त
पड़ा
तेल
ले
में
ले.
फ्राई करके.
Hey, okay, you guys want to hear this? Okay, so this is the history of the bindi. Okay, the bindi. So
Yeah.
so it's written. The word comes from the Sanskrit word bindu and is associated with a person's mystical third eye. From Vedic times, 5,000 years ago, it was used to worship the intellect of both men and women to ensure that thought, speech, and action became pure. So पहले आदमी लोग भी बिंदी पहन के out. By the way, मेरे को एक इधर पिंपल.
But it wasn't like the one that sticks, right? It was always drawn on. So I think that's why like many
tika.
women, like even like yeah, if you look at like sadhu.
But मस्त लगता है मेरे को बिंदी. I think बिंदी looks damn nice.
Yeah.
Dude, there was a
But I think a
great
lot of people still
advertising
put it. They
idea.
put it like of a different color.
There was a great advertising idea that was done to help women who are who have an iodine deficiency and stuff like that.
White color.
No. So what they did is they on the back of the thing they put the
Salt.
iodine thing, which sort of seeps into the skin slowly through the day, because every woman wears a bindi, and it was distributed.
Oh wow.
It was a great product innovation and a great idea for.
तेरा आइडिया था क्या?
पागल है क्या?
Amar, this
That's
whole
idea.
episode you're going to be a person who works for All India Radio, right? Like,
Yeah.
just-
Just-
No, a person who works for All India Radio who's not gotten paid
Oh.
also. क्योंकि बाहर
No.
But, anyway, the people who work at All India Radio haven't gotten paid. So
No,
I think
but I
it's
also
quite like it.
currently it's a face for radio, no? It's that wala situation. So
Amitabh Bachchan used to work, was rejected
Not
at All India
rejected,
Radio. This is a fact, yeah.
Yeah.
Because
He
his
was
voice
क्या
was
बात कर
too,
रहे
Yeah.
apparently his voice was too unmanly. This is what I've read.
No, not unmanly. They said that your voice is not good enough for radio.
Fuck.
Hmm.
Fuck, imagine,
Atul
dude, what
Lagan
a
opening.
different career that would have been. तो हमारे द्वितीय कॉलर से बात करते हैं हमारे
आज का गाना नेक्स्ट सॉन्ग
आज का गाना।
फिलिप्स टॉप 20 में मेरा ही गाना है
अरे भाई
और खाई के पान
But why would it be his song if it was
Why
if he
is
was
it
an
still his
AI?
song?
If he was an
I
AI,
can't imagine anybody else singing it. I
No,
can't
I'm saying
imagine.
that-
You can't have a Kamal Khan singing. खाई के पान नहीं. It's खाई के पान बनारस. वो एक baritone चाहिए उसके लिए, bro.
you know who I would want to see on radio
See on radio.
no I mean here on radio I would love to hear Bhai on radio dude it's just like you're driving and he's like
you've not heard
How
Bhai's
did
radio
we do
spots,
this?
right?
How did we do this, Kautuk? How did we end up here? Please,
because
like,
why not?
let us know the top of the staircase.
Because according
Please,
according to Article 24 in the Constitution of
In the fourth amendment of the TIS constitution, if you don't mention Salman Khan in the first 8 minutes of having started the podcast,
people drop off.
it's a
then
bad
people
omen.
leave.
It's a
Yeah.
bad omen. Yeah.
They also say that if they hear the mention of Salman Khan in the first 8 minutes, they also hit the like button multiple times.
Yeah.
And they comment also.
subscribe.
Arey,
Yeah.
this is such a like this is the nicest way that you've ever said.
Yeah.
Please hit
If
the
you-
like
if
button
you
because
hear
usually
Bhai's name-
कान के नीचे मारूंगा चल कान के
If you hear Bhai's name 4 times, good luck will happen to you.
there was one meme that happened on the TIS subreddit by the way so which was that in America people say please hit the like button in India and there's a clip of Bawa just going भोसड़ी के मार like button अरे अपने parents का phone लेके ला
क्या करेगा?
तो खोलो थोड़े इंडिया फैक्ट्स जो अपन ने नहीं किया अभी तक.
So here's another fun one, which is about chai. Okay, origin story of chai.
Nice.
Okay, so before the British came to India and established tea plantations, chai was a healing concoction made of herbs and spices. In fact, masala chai is a hybrid of Indian and British tradition. One story goes that chai was developed by accident when a Buddhist monk on his way to China observed the local ritual of chewing a few wild leaves and tried it for himself. Feeling revitalized, he decided to bring it back to India with him.
Oh.
So that's one of the
Hey, you know the first people to discover anything, those are my favorite people. ठीक है, चाय अरे कोई खा रहा था तो मैंने उसको गरम किया और उसमें अदरक डाला और
I know
इलायची
where the
डाला
story is going.
और where is it going?
I know
Baba?
where the story is
Where
going. This
is
is
it
going to
going?
go
We
to
don't know where it
that
is.
Brazilian guy who died after masturbating 14
bro,
times.
that's already a
Why?
joke in my
Arey,
set, Baba. Why will I say
14
that
times,
again?
nahi, it's
42.
42 times. 14 is possible.
yeah.
Though there was another one also that Varun was surprised by. Somebody who tried eating goats, the coffee that came through the
Not goat, it was a
the
cat poo. Cat poo.
that poo
वो तो
lupa
कॉफी तो बहुत कॉमन है, लोपी कुआक. हाँ.
नहीं बट लाइक दैट ये देख ना दोनों का कैसा अलग वे में हुआ. एक तो चाय कोई पत्ती खा रहा था तो बुद्धिस्ट मॉन्क ने उसको गर्म करके चाय बनाया. ये दूसरा आदमी है जिसने कैट पू कॉफी पहले बार डिस्कवर किया, which is
No,
coffee
it's not
essentially
cat, no,
coffee.
that ferret.
Ferret.
It's
I mean
a-
some animals.
It's cat. Some cat in
I
Indonesia.
think
Kopi
it's
luwak.
Kopi, Kopi luwak, whatever. So it's this animal who ate the coffee beans and then shits it out, and then that gets
Some meerkat.
meerkat.
No, it's not a meerkat. It is.
It's not a meerkat.
It's not.
It's
a palm
basic-
civet.
it's-
It's a civet. It's a civet.
It's a
Kautuk,
civet.
you could be enjoying the best coffee in the world right now and you're just wasting your cat.
वो इंडियन सिवेट से वो इसके बेगम से नहीं होने वाला है.
अरे
रोज
अरे
सुबह
बेगम
तो
की
कॉफी
coffee
खिला
दे रहा
रहा
है क्या? बेगम कॉफी.
Dude, बेगम जब हकती है ना तो ऐसा
Shat.
कुछ meaning her stomach is like fucking meaning it's an industrial level of acid जैसा it
Yeah,
melts
some cats is insane. Like कुछ और ही हो जाता है घर में.
उसको
atmosphere
डाइजिन भी
बदल
दे
जाता
दे.
है.
I just want to point
Hygiene
out
देना
that
पड़ेगा उसको.
in India was so good at hockey in 1928. The British pulled out of the Olympics
Yeah,
they were
because
like,
they yeah
हम
correct,
लोग
correct.
हारा इन लोग से तो कैसा होएगा फिर इंडिया
Embarrassing
जीता
हो
फिर
जाएगा.
वापस 36 भी जीता.
But इंडिया जीता हॉलैंड के साथ
हाँ
3-0
3-0.
1932 Olympics में. Then they won. This was 32,
36.
right? Or
Yeah,
36.
36 again.
Yeah.
30 no we won in 28 and 32.
Yeah. Oddly,
Wow,
India has never hosted the Olympics, so that's a
नहीं हम लोग जाके जीत के आते हैं सिर्फ बाहर, हम लोग
ऐसा
होस्ट
करेगा
नहीं
dude.
करते.
अच्छा.
No. It's also like the bid
But,
cost only is too much, no, to do.
Yeah.
No,
Why
and
when-
you see what the countries who are actually hosting it do to the entire infrastructure and shit, bro.
Yeah.
It's a
No, but like
massive-
Kautuk and I,
a lot
just
of
after
times
the
that infrastructure and then that
Huh.
infrastructure just goes to ruins. Like if you're not making the most of it, it just ends up
yeah,
going to
the Olympic Village and all that stuff really goes to waste. Like Kautuk and I went to Russia after the World Cup, and a lot of people are telling us, dude, people could not speak in English. And right after the World Cup, they were so like we were always like, अरे Russia में problem होएगा हम लोग का language का. Everybody in the
हम
main
लोग
metros
इंग्लिश
is
सीख
speaking.
गए.
सीख गए.
वो
You
लोग इंग्लिश
learn.
सीख रहे हैं.
You learn
Yeah.
English.
वो
Or
सीख गए वो लोग. And just to interact with the tourists.
understand Russian.
Yeah.
We
Or I
speak
shoot.
Russian.
I just shoot.
You want match tickets? Yeah.
Good. Okay, next.
ये क्या हुआ? It's just us doing a
थोड़ा
bad
रशियन
Russian
स्टेरियोटाइप
impression
के बाद
for
चलते
30
हैं
seconds.
इंडिया
हाँ.
इंडिया के तरफ फिर से.
Guys,
Let's,
do you know where the first train ran between Boribandar and
yes,
Thane?
Churchgate.
The
And
first train
Thane,
ran.
Thane.
That's
Thane.
quite shocking.
Thane.
Yeah.
Why did the
Yeah.
train have to run?
That's the
It
bigger,
had tracks. It could have
Thane
just
of
rotated its wheels.
Border.
हाँ, what was
Thane
it?
of- it ran between that and that. That's all that it is.
अच्छा.
That's,
फिर कैसा
thank you,
लगा
thank
तुझे वो
you,
ट्रेन पे
बाबा,
बैठ के
for-
बाबा?
बहुत अच्छा था, बहुत अच्छा था ब्रो, बहुत
तो
बहुत
फर्स्ट
सही.
क्लास टिकट
इनफैक्ट
मिला. अरुगुला मिला वो ट्रेन के ऊपर.
अरुगुला नहीं मिला. अरुगुला मैं थर्ड क्लास में गया था क्योंकि मैं इंडियन था.
You know, I-
Did you put your hair? Did you put your hair on the side of the track, and that's how your hair got cut right now?
No.
You know the thing that I think probably, and I'm
Hmm.
guessing, but I would
Hmm.
believe that I think we are the only country in the entire world who have to make announcements at our railway station saying, "Passengers, please do not travel on the top of the train."
हाँ. And they still continue to do so because they can't hear it on top of the train. And they're just like going happily getting electrocuted.
Electricity. Oh. एक मैंने वीडियो देखा था where the
Dude, like-
train is releasing like water on the side. तो पानी जोर से and it's a video from the train का window. कोई ले रहा है
मालूम है
video.
वो
और train-
वाटर नहीं है, क्या है मालूम है ना?
So
sewage.
Pishab.
आगे वाले का सुसु है वो ब्रो, जो
नहीं,
pot
but
से
it's
ऐसा-
like it's a heavy duty like jet going, and there is a railway crossing. So you can see the water being expelled out, and then you see railway crossing पे वो लोग ऐसे लोग बाइक पे गाड़ी लेके बैठे हैं, and suddenly just on everybody's face, and it's a 1 in a million video that you will find. Like if you just like you Google that video.
Dude,
Oh, I thought they were
horrible
doing
to
it
see.
as a means to sort of deter people from jumping or hanging and all of that. Actual पानी उन लोग
No,
फेंक
no.
रहे हैं ट्रेन में.
तो
बोले ये
कैप्टन
नया है.
फिलिप्स थोड़ी है कि पायरेट चढ़ जाएंगे.
No, but talking of train videos, dude, there's one other beautiful video where someone put a slow motion camera in a Mumbai local. Okay, and he just filmed people trying to get onto the train. It looks like a classical painting, dude. Like just people jumping into the train slowly and running around to get their seats, dude. It's beautiful to watch.
Yeah,
Dude,
it's that,
you know what it
moment,
is?
right?
It's basically like throwing water, throwing ink or paint into water, where it just sort of like it's
फैल जाता है.
like
No,
this.
but it's also that moment now when people like I've done this in college and you run in and then it's that one moment where you're like कहाँ खाली seat and there's that
Yeah,
helter
yeah.
skelter moment where like एक
वो
seat कहीं से मिल जाए.
वो तेरा पहले वाला होता होगा, bro.
हाँ.
But if you go at a certain time, because most people who go by
Then तो you
trains,
know.
right?
Yeah,
they
then तो you know.
have a timing. मैं 8:47 पकड़ता है अंधेरी से चर्चगेट, या मैं
Correct,
11:14 पकड़ता है. And after a point, dude, it is just like motor skills. क्या बोलते हैं उसको?
Yeah.
Muscle memory.
Muscle
Muscle
memory. Muscle memory. Where literally अंदर जाएगा, मैं ऐसे रोबोट जैसे लेफ्ट जाएगा और थर्ड सीट फ्रॉम द राइट पे बैठ जाएगा क्योंकि वो खाली होता है.
Correct. It's
Or you
almost,
stand
I'm
right
telling you,
next
know,
to the door in that safe spot where you're there जहाँ पे
Yeah.
हवा भी आ रहा है and you get a backrest
you get a
against
backrest and then
the
you stand
grill.
like this.
Yeah.
तो मेरा
Yeah.
झगड़ा होता था ब्रो ट्रेन पे. देखो मालूम है, my biggest झगड़ा happened on the train. Why? Because back in college I used to have long hair, okay? लंबा straightened बाल था और मेरे को
बाल
मजा
People will
आता
just
था.
pick fights with you.
मैं लटक के जाता था क्योंकि सीट नहीं मिला है obviously. तो लटकेश.
Guys,
So,
don't do that.
पीछे हाँ please do
Yeah,
not
don't
do
do
that.
that.
I regret
Nobody
all
do
of it. But anyway, point being जगह नहीं था तो उधर लटका था और मेरे पीछे आदमी है जो बार बार कंप्लेन कर रहा है, बोल रहा है सर आपके बाल मेरे नाक में जा रहे हैं.
Dude, तू वो करता था क्या?
Why did you
स्टेशन
tie
आता
the
था
hair?
तो not to get rid of your back seat, you would hold the door and then stand outward so that people could get in. Then when the train
Yeah.
starts to move, you come back
Come
and then
back
you,
in, हाँ.
and then
Always.
Hmm.
You अभी तू दरबान जैसे उठ के
हाँ,
टिकट
हाँ.
ऐसे हो जाता साइड में, सब
Yeah.
भर रहे हैं
Correct,
पब्लिक और फिर
correct.
तू वापस आके पकड़ा, क्योंकि मैं ये नहीं स्पॉट छोड़ रहा.
ये spot नहीं छोड़
मेरा
रहा है.
correct.
मेरा स्टॉप 15 स्टेशन बाद है, लेकिन मैं इधर ही खड़ा रहे.
But dude, also the Indian Railways tell you how dedicated we are as workers. Because just to get to office on time, अपन full ऐसा अक्षय कुमार level of stunts करके जा रहा है dude.
हाँ, always. ऑफिस
Like
भी,
just-
स्कूल, कॉलेज, कितने में क्रिकेट के लिए जाता था ब्रो.
Yeah,
यूज्ड टू गो
yeah.
फ्रॉम हियर टू शिवाजी पार्क और क्रॉस मैदान और wherever. हम लोग किड बैग के साथ वो कर रहे हैं,
Yeah.
Yeah.
which is
We
fucking
need to-
pads, helmet.
Except kid bag के साथ सुबह कर रहा है, so it's not as bad because you were doing it at like what,
I don't know what
6:30.
सुबह you're talking about, बाबा. तू
फोन गिरा है क्या?
6:30-7 बजे नहीं होगा. 7
चलती
जैसे
ट्रेन से
क्रॉस
फोन
हुआ,
गिरा
it's
क्या?
packed.
Yeah.
चलती ट्रेन से फोन गिरा है क्या कभी किसी का?
I was
मेरा
too
तो
old to have a phone and travel by train at the same time.
हाँ, वो steam engine. I'm not talking about steam engines. I'm talking about the new ones.
No, even
Yeah,
local
the
train.
one
I
that-
did. I got my first cell phone that I personally was allowed to carry in 2001 or 2 or something like that. So yeah,
Oh,
I was
same,
already
similar.
22. So I was
Fuck,
already
Hmm.
22.
Here's another fun fact. This I did not know about Karnataka. Apparently, Karnataka has a lot of waterfalls, and
Hmm.
there's a listing of 10 of the best waterfalls in Karnataka, and the best one is Jog Falls, which plunges from a height
Joke.
of Jog.
Joke.
Joke.
JOG.
Falls.
It's just a joke, guys.
If there was a friend called Jogender who would go there, then you just drop him and then you say, "Arey, we're at Jog."
Arey, no, then it is Jog Fell.
Yeah.
Joke fell.
No, but while he's falling.
Oh, then it is Jog Falls.
Joke fall.
Or we can say this joke again and it says joke fails.
Jog Fails.
Joke fell.
So Jog Falls
But वो
is
एक बच्चा होता था ना स्कूल में, joke failed it. It's not failed, it's failed it.
failed it.
आदर तेरी बायोपिक नहीं चल
Failed
रही.
it.
It plunges from a height of 830 feet and is the second highest waterfall in India.
Hmm.
Interesting. They
So
didn't tell us
Meghalaya
also
also
the
says
first
A
one.
kid above my house who pees from his balcony.
Yeah, that is.
Why is that not counted as waterfall?
That's the
साला.
first one.
चलो,
हमेशा
हमेशा वाले
done
से
that.
कर रहा है.
I've done that
Never trust.
into. By the way, India's road network is the second largest in the world with 4,865,000
Potholes on
kilometers of
it, okay.
constructed
Yeah.
roads. But I was about to get to potholes with that only, saying of which
Sorry, Baba, sorry.
404,864,999 has potholes on it.
But I've never seen Baba struggle with numbers so
Numbers
much.
so much.
That
No,
was
no,
reading
Baba
a
has
number
problem with numbers.
480.
Have you seen Baba get impressed when you do fast maths in front of him?
Yeah.
Baba gets
Like a
super
child.
impressed if you
Like a
do like
child.
हाँ, like कभी वो मेरे को पूछता है कि तेरे
With
manager
Varun
को
also.
चल के हाँ
अरे with
Baba
Varun
gets
also.
very
Varun,
impressed.
Arey, Varun का
Varun also
maths
does it.
na, the best time to see
हाँ.
Varun's math skills is
Is
after
15%.
our no after the
Calculating
YouTube lives.
15% I have also gotten very good at. हाँ.
After YouTube lives, Varun will tell you how many super chats we've gotten.
But
then he'll
I got
deduct
it right
YouTube
the last
cut,
time.
Then he'll deduct OML cut and then he'll tell you how much
TDS.
divided by 4.
फिर
we will
GST
get.
लगा के तेरे को कितना आ रहा है?
Yeah.
Correct.
Yeah, और
So
ऐसा
1% gets how much?
like Shakuntala Devi, dude, he's like, तेरे को मिलेगा इतना.
See, we'll do
But
a
only
we'll do one-
Speak.
we'll do one demo. Varun 487 plus
ए बाबा ऐसे मेरे को
483.
स्पॉट पे मत डाल
इतना नहीं
चुके.
होगा. हाँ.
ऐसा नहीं है, मैं शकुंतला
अरे
देवी नहीं है.
और
really.
करेगा.
बाबा the phrasing
There can
phrasing
be no
was wrong,
pressure
बाबा.
when you
have
do
to tell him-
fast maths.
You have to tell him अगर तेरे को corporate show मिला जिधर
हाँ, ऐसे-
480 rupees मिल रहा है
Ah.
और फिर
If
तेरा
there are two
TDS
corporate shows in
मिलता
one
है,
hand, yeah, if Varun has two corporate shows in one hand, but there is another brand deal in the other, how
Varun
will you
will do
calculate
both.
the percentage loss?
how long will Varun take to do both? तो दिन में कॉर्पोरेट शो कर लूंगा फिर इधर आके एक
अरे
फिर हो जाएगा.
So you know something. So this is one thing that's benefited comedians, and you know the comedians who do corporate shows, right? तो
Zoom,
उनके
yeah,
लिए Zoom shows बहुत ही अच्छे हैं क्योंकि अभी
हाँ,
वो एक दिन में 4 shows करते हैं, dude.
अरे bro,
Which is
one
also-
sec, I'll give you in comparison. So तुम लोग the ones who are doing corporate shows regularly, Thakur, etc., Khatri, Vatri and all, are doing एक दिन में 2-3 शो 4 शो. नेविल शाह जो कॉर्पोरेट शो बहुत रेयरली करता है, उसने
किया ही
एक महीने
नहीं।
में 4 किया है ब्रो. एक महीने
Oh,
में
yes.
4 कॉर्पोरेट शो किया है. Bro, unreal
Yes.
corporate show on Zoom. It's very good. It's
ऐसे
good.
सब कॉर्पोरेट है ठीक है कि they have dissolved the company now. What's the
हाँ,
नहीं नहीं वो
give
एक
them
मेरा
something
सेट
to feel
फॉर्मेट है
better
ब्रो
about. So
मेरा
Neville
एक
comes and
सेट
talks
फॉर्मेट
about
है
his
which
life.
is dude the problem is no if somebody who watches internet sets or whatever comes for the corporate show and then they post a video of thing then they've seen the like the Neville jokes that you don't want to see right like
Yeah.
the like which are
yeah that's the
It's the
classic
ideal,
level.
ideal representation of Neville jokes.
Yeah.
no chance.
Acha, you know, going back to match, you're talking about Shakuntala Devi, right? So
Yeah.
she was obviously
वरुण
known as
13,000
the
का 15% क्या है
हाँ
13,000 का 15% क्या है 13,000 का 15
1300
About
15% ना 1900.
how fast did she
अच्छा अभी देख ह्यूमन कैलकुलेटर की बात करता हूँ मेरे को तू बोल रहा है अच्छा अभी शकुंतला देवी ने पता है क्या किया है देख शी कुड वंस
अरे मैं
कैलकुलेट
जानता नहीं है ना उसको
ठीक है शी कुड
अरे
वंस
नहीं किया था
कैलकुलेट
ना विद्या बालन के साथ पॉडकास्ट हम लोग
अरे रुक तो सुन तो फैक्ट हाँ
she was able to calculate 76863697748870 I don't even know how many million that is multiplied by 246509997457779 and she was able to provide
ये
the
किसका
correct
mobile
answer
number है?
in 28 seconds
वाओ ये
In
किसका मोबाइल नंबर इनटू
28
मोबाइल नंबर
Yeah.
28
give you
seconds में bro
context, dude, to just give this context, I can't figure out what to order on Zomato in
Yeah.
28 seconds. Like,
वो तो nobody can अगर
But
तू
nobody
28
can.
सेकंड में जोमेटो से ऑर्डर कर सकता है तो तू शकुंतला देवी है
Yeah.
Because तूने इतने मल्टीपल कैलकुलेशंस कर लिए
The only
कि
way you
मुझसे
can
क्या
do
खाएगी मैं क्या
आजकल-
खाऊंगा what flavor am I feeling आज
the
कौन सा
only
पिज्जा
way you
खाना
know
चाहिए
the only way you can do it is fuck 11 बजे पॉडकास्ट रिकॉर्डिंग करने का 10:30 हो गया है एक बटर चिकन रोल मंगाने का ठाक then you just straight go order out
no, but
then there's
Yeah,
no
but
Okay,
when
to
you
give
have
it-
all
to
the
give you
choices
more
in the
context, to
world, then
give
you
you
have
more
to have
context.
this of the what discount offer to use, कौन सा मैच चल रहा है तो मैच के हिसाब से ऑर्डर करना है. All that
one
shit
sec
also
what
complicated.
Shakuntala did I would not be able to do it in 28 seconds with a calculator
देवी शकुंतला
Shakuntala
क्या बोल
Devi
रहा है ऐसे
sorry whatever
हाँ,
she
तेरी
did
friend नहीं हो.
I would not do it with a calculator in 28 seconds because by the time I found typing those numbers
you would take 28 seconds to find where the calculator is
For sure.
dude
But
it's
by
No,
the
but
way,
also-
maths की बात करें तो calculus, trigonometry and algebra all originated in India.
Yeah.
और आर्यभट्ट ने जीरो ढूंढा वो भी अपने पास ही है.
correct
And chess originated in India.
Chess also originated. Wow, maths तो one killer है. Why would our parents not expect us to excel? अपने पास-
Yeah.
They can always show देते. वो जीरो हम लोगों ने बनाया था और तेरे को आता नहीं है maths.
You know what else we invented? We invented the xylophone.
क्या
The
बात कर रहा है?
fucking
The
xylophone.
spelling
क्या बात कर रहा है?
word which we couldn't spell.
Yeah. The xylophone is an ancient instrument that originated independently in Africa and Asia. In India, Kasht Tarang is a type of xylophone or marimba used in India in classical Hindu
But it
music.
was used with wood, na? I think they used wood. It's transitioned to metal, but now, like earlier, it used to be bamboo and like, so it makes sense.
so we
No,
did
fuck,
this
even
we did
if-
this the last time
No, we
Sorry,
didn't.
no.
But even
No,
the
no, I
decimal
never ate
system and
marimba.
place value system was invented in India.
So
really
this is all our
Yeah.
fault. All this shit is our fault.
ये
This is
all
why- अगर हम लोग जीरो इन्वेंट नहीं करता तो मेरे को मैथ्स में जीरो मिलता ही नहीं
हाँ,
Well
तो
done.
तुझे 1 मिलता फिर क्या फायदा हो?
चलेगा मैं 1 ले लेता था no but guys I we did this particular fact in the last podcast but it's just so unbelievable that we have to remind ourselves that there is a gentleman who has the world's biggest family this
Chana.
person has 39 wives 94 children 33 grandchildren the family lives in a 100-room 4-story house amidst the hills of Baktwan
And
village.
Baba can't calculate the total number of people living in
No,
that house.
one sec. Give me 2 minutes. Okay, it's 39, 94, 33 plus 1. So it will be 40 plus 33 is 73 plus 100 is 173.
Baba
minus 50 is
Shakuntala Devi came back
167.
to life and answered that question correctly in that much
what
time.
scintillating content we are giving our viewers today.
Yeah.
No, but
Yeah.
This is-
Or trying to-
चलो
trying
बेटा
to do
मैथ्स
math.
करो मैथ्स 42 by 22 नहीं but talking about stuff developed in India snakes and ladders bro the game was invented in India in the 13th century by poet Saint Gyandev
Yeah, ये मेरा एक जोक था कि snakes and ladders was invented in India because it's reality.
yeah back then it was reality
Yeah.
हम लोग चेस भी इन्वेंट किया ब्रो क्या कर रहे हैं हम लोग
सही है. Chess, snakes and ladders.
So I was talking to Samay, and Samay is like, there are more chess moves. Like after the first opening moves, the first four opening moves, there are more permutation combinations to chess moves than there are possible atoms in the universe.
Crazy, bro.
That's
Possible.
insane. Just the sheer magnitude of that number is incredible.
Here's a very fun. The art of navigation came into being in the river since 6,000 years ago. The word navigation is derived from the Sanskrit word
Navi.
Navgati.
Oh wow, bro.
And
Usually
the word navy is also derived from Sanskrit, which is
Navgati. But that's so cool because usually you find like is it called the etymology of the word? कि कहाँ से आया? It's called the etymology, right?
Yeah.
So most of it comes from like Greek or like Latin or अभी तो Sanskrit
Never
से
trying
no,
to
but
show
I'm
off to
saying
someone.
like an English word to have its derivation from Sanskrit is not. I have not heard of too many.
No, there's a lot. There's a
There
lot.
are a lot. There are a lot.
There's
There are a lot.
There was a
That's awesome.
documentary.
कौन सा
There's a
है?
documentary about how Sanskrit influenced a lot of the early languages. So, like for example, across the world, the word for mother and father is almost the same. It's
Ma
Mercek,
and Pa.
Mama, Mom, all of these things, and they all come
Correct.
from Ma. So, so basically, we influence a lot of this stuff. So, like, and
Dude,
and
अपना history में we have killed it, bro. Like the amount of stuff that has come out from India in every respect is quite
the weird thing about
crazy.
us was that because we were so self-sufficient, and this is why your country needs to have deficiencies, but because we were so self-sufficient, we never felt the need to go outside and conquer. So this is one of the theories that explains why
we have never invaded.
like why, because even though the word navy and all of this comes from India, why weren't we using the sea to go to other places, right? Because you didn't need to, because the land is so fertile, the place is so abundant that you just had to go interior mein. So public bahar gaya hi nahi hai. Whereas when you had in Europe was a backwater for the longest time in the medieval ages and stuff. So people were like, chal, let's go outside and see what else is there. So which is why they had the systems in place which led to colonization and then eventually the world order dipping.
In fact, like, even our space program, for example, right? Like we are in the top 5 in the world.
Yeah.
In spite of probably having the least amount of funding going towards it. Like you look at a NASA budget.
Rocket हम लोग का cycle से आया था. The first rocket was transported.
अबे Mars वाला rocket नहीं.
Mars वाला bullock cart से आया था. Chandrayaan bullock cart से आया था. Chandrayaan bullock cart से.
नहीं.
No, the Chandrayaan was transported by bullock cart.
Oh.
The Chandrayaan was transported. There are photos of the Chandrayaan
I've
being
seen that
transported by
picture.
bullock cart.
नहीं, bullock cart पे था, एक साइकिल पे भी छोटा रॉकेट लेके जा रहे हैं.
The first rocket ever was transported by cycle. The first test rocket that was done.
Oh, here's
I don't think it was the first one. I think that there was a situation where we were transporting something for Pokhran on cycles and stuff like that because we didn't want it to be caught on satellite imagery.
By
that we are
US.
Sure, buddy.
But you know something, that is
like,
such a great strategy.
Trucks can also have covers on it. Like
no, it's not that. But you get a heat signature. You get various other things, right? Like
no, so exactly no. The thing is कि अगर तू radar से पकड़ भी रहा है, ठीक है, and then you see कि there are 2 guys walking with a cycle. अगर तेरे को हीट सिग्नेचर भी आ रहा है, यू बी नहीं ये रॉकेट तो थोड़े ना होएगा इसके पास.
वो स्पेस वाला रॉकेट नहीं था बे, वो तो नॉर्मल रॉकेट था.
अरे दूध वाला भैया थोड़ा ज्यादा ही रेडिएशन हो रहा है.
वो बॉइलिंग दूध लेके जा रहा है, पहले से ही लेके जा रहा है गरम दूध. खीर के लिए दूध.
Guys, there are a couple of nicknames for cities in this country which are hilarious. Hilarious.
Pink City है, Garden City है, सब मालूम है.
Marcus Hilarious.
We'll do a few things. So New Delhi का nickname is City of Rallies. City of Rallies.
What?
Okay. So by the way, so Mumbai we know all. Chennai is the Detroit of Asia.
What is Mumbai? What do we know?
Is coining these terms.
नहीं.
Why Chennai the Detroit of Asia?
Because Toyota, Honda, Toyota, Honda, all of these major.
It's not because Chennai has the best rap artists coming out of it. It's not. It's because it's Motor City. We don't have Eminem coming out.
No. We were there in Chennai, and we were finishing a show, and then somebody took us for sushi in Chennai. I was like, why the hell would somebody take? And it was by far the best sushi I had ever eaten.
Yeah,
And
because
then
with
we
chutney it
realized
tastes even
why,
better.
because there were
Best
so many
Korean food.
Japanese.
Yeah,
because there were
best
so
Korean
many
food in
Japanese
Delhi,
people in that
in
restaurant, no
Gurgaon.
Indians. Yeah.
Best Korean food in Gurgaon. That's true. It's unreal.
हाँ फिर दे और बता बाबा
Ahmedabad. Please, Ahmedabad has two nicknames. Okay, please
Diamond
bear with
City.
me.
No daru, and
One is the Boston of India. Okay, but wait,
The
can I tell you what
Boston
the
of
second
India.
one is?
क्योंकि
The
लेनार्डो
second-
डिकैप्रियो और वो लोग लड़ते हैं
The
वहाँ पे बैठ के।
second one is Manchester of India, not Manchester.
men chest hair.
Manchester. Manchester of
Why
India.
what is the etymology of that?
But why is it called that? कुछ reason नहीं है ऐसे ही.
No, because
अरे,
Gujarati people
ढूंढते ना.
pronounce it as Manchester.
No, why is it called the
wait.
Boston? Why is it called the Boston?
It's called the Manchester of India. Why is
Because of
Ahmedabad the
the
Manchester of India?
Cloth, no.
Is
Yeah, textile development. No, is what it is. I'm
and
assuming
why-
that's what it is, huh? So
But
let
like
me
that, तो यार you can take a Norwegian country, right? Like a city,
हाँ, एक
and
movie.
say
the
Mumbai is
Daimler
like
of
the
Norway.
Norfolk
Yeah,
of.
because Nasik is California of India because of grapes.
तो grapes है इसलिए.
Grapes
हाँ?
and orange.
तो फिर कैलिफोर्निया में और जो
That's
सब
Nashik.
चीजें वो नासिक में नहीं है अपने यार.
Correct. Also, what's interesting, guys, by the way, Shillong is the Scotland of the East. By the guys,
अरे वैसे तो अपना मानसून में मुंबई इज द वेनिस ऑफ इंडिया ये सब
नहीं,
भी है
but
ना.
Shillong is considered the Shillong is considered one of the is the first organic city in India. Like it's completely like eco-friendly, and that's the first city that has managed to do that. So,
no,
the
no.
state.
But
The
the other
state,
thing,
city.
guys, did we know that Varanasi is the oldest inhabited
5,000
city in the world?
5,000 साल हो गया ना almost.
I
I
thought it was
really
Banaras.
want to go to Varanasi today एक बार.
It's
I
always
एक बार मेरे को भी जाना है.
not.
Never been. मतलब only in movies I've been, but in real life not.
Yeah.
I want to go to Varanasi and then Banaras.
Do go up the. Oh God, Adar again he started.
Banarasi.
Go up the Ganges, no? Go up the Ganga all the way.
ठीक है.
Okay.
Great
Thanks.
fun.
Thanks
Actually,
for
you were
that.
talking about roads, na?
ठीक है रुक मैं अभी बुक कर रहा हूँ Uber boat.
So,
मैं लोग गंगा में
NH44.
ऊपर जाना.
No. Go
NH
along it. It's a
44.
great place.
No. Apparently, there's a
44.
highway. You can actually like if you're interested in like doing the whole bike thing. NH44 or NH7 also. It's called NH7 and NH44.
NH7 is in Pune.
Yeah, but yeah, it goes from Varanasi to Kanyakumari is the longest highway in India. So you can actually
That's a
drive
Grand Trunk Road,
straight.
no?
Yeah. So that
So-
is like, and then there's the highest road, which is the one, the Leh Manali road, which I couldn't go on because it got snowed in, like literally
Highest
4 days before.
motorable road in the country.
Bro, fuck,
Okay,
you know,
here's-
like, we keep saying अपन largest democracy, so obviously उसके elections होते हैं और अपने elections, like they have one fact from 2014.
Yeah.
The amount of people that voted in the 2014 general elections is more than the entire population of US, UK, Japan and Australia combined.
Yeah.
It
Arey
was-
bro, I'm saying you don't get it. Like in the numbers game, when it comes to when it comes to like awards and like advertising awards, and we have to show results of a campaign, and we talk about like so many people did it and stuff like that.
Yeah,
So
people.
UK and all will come with like 13 million people and all. Dude, 13 million people is fucking.
इधर है, माड़ा में है, इधर में, माड़ा में.
He's Andheri. So I'm saying they get so we never do percentage of population. We do absolutes.
Yeah.
So
No,
we
so-
just say 180 million people, which is what is 180 million people? It's nothing. It's not.
Arey
It's not
Baba,
even internet penetration.
there were these comics who had come down from the US, okay, and they
Hmm.
were talking to us. They had come for some shows and stuff. तो बात कर रहे थे. तो बोलते हैं, "How- it's so we just find it so crazy that any video you put up in India, you're getting like 3 lakh views, 4 lakh views, ऐसे मस्ती मजाक में. Right?
मेरे को नहीं मिल रहा है.
3-4 lakhs there is meaning you're a
It's so
bona fide
disappointing.
comic. तू तेरे पास Netflix का स्पेशल होना चाहिए because you're that damn good.
Hmm.
क्योंकि और अपना पॉपुलेशन ही इतना ही कि ऐसे स्क्रॉल करते करते देख लिया तो
Why do you think T-Series has the highest subscribers, dude?
Yeah,
you
bro.
can't compete, dude, can't compete. So okay, let's here, this is a classic one that comes on WhatsApp every 2-3 hours. Sushruta is the father of surgery. 2,600 years ago, he and the health scientists of his time conducted complicated surgeries like cesareans, cataract, artificial limbs, fractures, urinary stones, and even plastic surgery and brain surgery. Usage of anesthesia was well known in ancient India. Over 125 surgical equipment were used. Deep knowledge of anatomy, physiology, etiology, embryology, digestion, metabolism, genetics, and immunity is also found in many texts. So,
मेरे को ये सब ना I find it fucking fascinating, bro, that we were, I mean, obviously I want to check the actual facts of what all of these things, because you can proclaim a whole bunch of stuff, but there is actual what do you call how, like a record of a lot of these things having happened, right?
Yeah,
like
yeah.
and it's incredible कि अपन वो time पे सब कर रहे थे, bro. Like, can you imagine what India must have been at that point where you are self-sufficient, तू spice grow कर रहा है, तू surgery कर रहा है, तू zero बना दिया, like you're
But I
rich.
didn't think there was like the guy who invented Zero has so much fame as the most like least famous TikToker. Like it was very difficult for that
Yeah.
information to get trans. It's like, अरे इसने Zero बनाया पता है तेरे को? He didn't get any fame for making all that.
Dude, we were talking. Yeah, we recently had met Ashish Akya. We were talking about the writers back in the day and writers today, right? Like back in the day, like Arthur Conan Doyle and people like that, right? They used to put serialized stories in newspapers, and it was like
Yeah.
they were the TikTokers of the day. कि अरे भाई का नया कंटेंट आया है, अरे भाई का कंज्यूम करना पड़ेगा, अरे शर्लॉक. So and that's the big shift that's happened now ना, कि अभी ये गया है दूसरे Instagram influencers के पास.
वो तो है नहीं, but going back to like India's rich history, अगर तू देखने जाएगा, I mean we all talk about it, right, all the time. अरे योगा अपने इधर बना, it's all stuff that is in fashion right now or is popular right now or is a fad right now that we've been doing for thousands of years. योगा को के 5,000 साल हो गए. We have the largest population of vegetarians in the world, where now the world is sort of trying to look towards
I'm not even surprised.
vegetarians, right? Vegetarianism, you know, giving up meat. अपन already कर रहे हैं ये सब, right? And then they're not doing it out of anything. It was because it was good for your body, right? Like a lot of these things, man, it's crazy. ऐसे और कुछ ढूंढते हैं, ऐसा बहुत होगा और.
Here, there's a fact about the value of pi was first calculated by Buddhayana. And he explained the concept of what is known as the Pythagorean theorem. He discovered this in the 6th century, long before the European mathematicians. So this is another thing where I think it's talked about in this book called Guns, Germs and Steel, which if you guys want to, it's a nice popular history read. It's a very good sort of like very Sapiens-like. So I think usme hai ya kahin aur tha, where they talk about how every theory or every invention usually happened, it was done by 2-3 people around the same time. Like the theory of evolution, it was Charles Darwin and another guy who almost came to the same conclusion almost at the same time. But history works in such a way that one name, you know, through whatever chance, luck, politics, etc., one name usually gets the credit for it, and just through sheer repetition, the other person gets completely forgotten.
What was the other guy's name you said?
Charles Darwin and one other guy.
No, Charles Darwin सुना, दूसरा नाम क्या था?
Wait, दूसरा नाम, I'll just tell you. Wait, that's how little you know of him.
But it's like, it's the same Edison and Tesla logic, right? Like Edison got a lot of, though Tesla did breakthrough just because of the sheer magnitude of the things that he had invented, but the infamy of Tesla lived on longer than the successes of Tesla.
His name was Alfred Russel Wallace. No, sorry. In the early 19th century, Jean-Baptiste Lamarck proposed his theory of transmutation of species, the first fully formed theory of evolution. In 1958, Charles Darwin and Alfred Russel Wallace published a new evolutionary theory explained in detail in Darwin's On Origins.
ये British लोग सब चोरी करता था इनसे.
Yeah.
Fuck it. We also the concept of shampoo was first invented in India when herbs were used for strengthening hair.
Yeah. So shampoo as a word came from the word champu, no?
Yeah.
So champu तो तेल से होगा ना, लेकिन.
Champi.
नहीं, but the idea of putting
so the whole process,
in the hair,
the whole process of this and then
shampoo में तो क्या कर
washing,
रहा है, वही
it
कर
was
रहा है ना?
cleaning it, right? you would put oil and then you would shampoo. You would do that. So that's where it.
And it
But
makes
I think
sense,
even
no?
like even toothpaste to a certain
वो
degree,
अपन
like
जो खाते
we
थे
were
ना
using the
दातुन
miswak,
मेसवाक दातुन हाँ भाई मेसवाक तो टूथपेस्ट का नाम है
Toothpaste
the
comes
Hey,
from here.
the actual thing is named after the actual
okay
branch.
9
Jadi
out of
booty.
10 Shushruta recommend.
हाँ
9 out of 10?
Shushruta
Shushruta.
recommend.
इधर एडोल्फ हिटलर भाई थे अपन हॉकी का बात कर रहे थे एडोल्फ हिटलर वाज अ बिग फैन ऑफ मेजर ध्यानचंद he even offered him German citizenship when India defeated Germany in 1936 in the Berlin Olympic finals
तो ये कहाँ गया फिर उसका आर्यन उस टाइम द्रविडियन के पीछे भाग रहा था ये।
हाँ वो तो कन्वीनियंट है ना
No, also apparently there was one fact, no, we were reading ki Hitler was so impressed by the Gurkha regiment that he felt that if he had the Gurkha regiment, he would have captured the whole of Europe because they were the only regiment he believed that could have defeated the German forces.
No, that
100%,
could
bro,
have
but
defeated
you know, in
not the
folklore-
Allied forces.
No, I
Not
mean
the
he felt
German.
ki they were the only Takkar ka opposition is what he felt. Ki-
Oh.
But you know, in
by
in
default-
war folklore, you've heard like of the Gurkha regiment.
The Gurkha
That-
regiment, yeah.
That bloody good. It's crazy. इधर एक ये भी है where by the way, sorry, going back to hockey, we had won 6 consecutive gold medals in Olympics. 6 consecutive
That's insane.
consecutive. Sorry, in hockey.
Consecutive.
In hockey,
Yeah.
फिर भी अपन मैच होते थे क्रिकेट ही खेल रहे बैठ के और उधर ध्यान नहीं दे रहे. It's not. I didn't know. I thought we had won a couple. I didn't know we won 6 consecutive
Yeah.
medals.
Oh, that was then, but then after that
even
also we did very well.
Yeah.
Even after Chuck Day released, we didn't concentrate on hockey. Like even after
But it's an
cheering in the
interesting-
theater.
It's an interesting thing, right? Like what would make you shift? Like if you were so good at hockey, what made the shift from hockey to cricket complete? Like what was it? Like one theory was that the
You got to
victory
carry
at the
a-
World Cup in '83 coincided with mass media coming to India. So TV and stuff like that. It coincided with all of that. So one was that reason. But there has to be some other factors. It'd be interesting, dude. अगर किसी पास theory है तो please बताओ.
हाँ,
Honestly, the
There's
first time
several-
I
dude,
saw,
we
I
won-
saw a hockey
We
stick
won
wasn't on the
8
field.
Olympic. We've won 8 Olympic gold medals. India also has the best overall performance in Olympic history with 77 victories out of the 126 matches played. They've
In
also
hockey.
scored the most goals in the Olympics than any other team. They are the only team to win ever to win the Olympics without conceding a single goal in 28 and 56.
Without conceding a single goal.
Yeah.
Wow.
That
Yeah,
is
yeah.
domination.
हम
dude.
लोग
हाँ,
हाँ,
we were dominating on another level.
Yeah. In fact, if you look at it, the Wikipedia article, the best thing it's written is the last years of dominance, 1960 to 1980, and then the decline is 1981 onwards because of World Cup, Falana, Dhimka.
Also
तू कब
because
पैदा हुआ था
like,
बाबा?
up until then you were already doing so well in a specific sport that obviously the underdog sport like cricket में अपन अच्छा नहीं था 70 74
नहीं, but
75
83
world
won the World Cup, dude. 83.
no the first two World Cups I'm talking about अपन 83 में पहले बार World Cup जीते उसके even 83 nobody gave us a chance we weren't going to win so it's a very like क्या बोलते हैं underdog story का बाप है वो वाला story if you hear the actual stories that went behind World Cup में जब पब्लिक उन लोग को बोल रहा था जब उन लोग एयरपोर्ट पे खड़े कि ये चार्जिंग देम फॉर एक्स्ट्रा बैगेज अपनी नेशनल टीम खेलने जा रही है तो उन लोग कुछ इधर से पापड़ अचार अचार कुछ लेके जा रहे हैं तो एक्सेस बैगेज का चार्ज कर दे most of our cricketers had actually had to postpone their honeymoon Chris Shrikant इन लोग का honeymoon था because they had also not predicted they'll go beyond the round robin matches
Right.
एलिमिनेशन तक पहुंचेंगे ऐसा हुआ ही नहीं था सो आई मीन आई थिंक दैट्स अ गुड एनालॉजी कि ये राइज ऑफ मास मीडिया coupled with like the craze of just being nobodies in the sport to winning the World Cup, beating the best at that time. I think that must
Dude,
have shifted a lot of people.
The fall from grace was so steep कि we were winning 8 Olympic medals in a row, and then by the 80s, hockey had gone so far down that the goons that came with the villain had more hockey sticks than the
Yeah.
fucking people playing the sport.
Yeah.
That's the first time I saw a hockey stick. I was like, ये क्या है? I had never seen one on the field.
Yeah.
It was the first time in some movie where like, ए बैट तो ठीक है, रॉड के साथ ये नया वाला कुछ
इसका
मस्त।
कर्व क्या है एंड में, क्यों है ये?
हाँ एंड पे ऐसा कर क्यों है? क्या हो रहा है उसका? गला, आई ऑलवेज थॉट वो गला पकड़ने के लिए आदमी का, लाइक ओ दैट्स प्रोबब्ली द यूज, वेरी इफेक्टिव वेपन।
So India was India's earliest known civilization arose about 5,000 years ago on the Indus River, which is now in
तो सडनली
Pakistan.
इंडिया को विकिपीडिया पे क्यों खोल दिया?
Yeah, archaeologists discovered piped water, sewer systems, cities,
Oh
brick
yeah,
houses.
sewer
yeah.
systems came in India.
Dude,
Bro,
मेरे को
you
तो
know,
लग रहा है बॉम्बे में
ये
अभी भी
8
वही
mark
यूज हो
question.
रहा है।
हाँ,
मेरे को लग रहा है
हाँ,
बॉम्बे में
ये तो
वही
same.
यूज हो रहा है अभी भी।
हड़प्पा ने जो बनाया
जो
है
हड़प्पा में
system
पीवीसी
हमारे।
पाइप यूज किए गए थे वही यूज
हाँ,
करके
ये
मेरे
हमारे-
प्लम्बर ने बिल्डिंग में डाले हैं।
ये रोज एक वाटर सैनिटेशन डिपार्टमेंट का एक खड्डा खोदता है और फिर जाके अंदर
Why
हड़प्पा
was
से
it? Why was it better to take a shit back then than it is right now? I don't get it.
Yeah,
But you
yeah.
know, in the mood of Republic Day, I thought we should talk about. I mean, we have, but some more of India's achievements. So मेरे पास एक बहुत in-depth article मिला है about India's achievements, and one of them is first, and it's not a shocking thing at all. India produces the most engineers in the world.
Whoa.
Oh, sure. Really?
Whoa.
I'm surprised. Whoa.
What? There are 1,000 engineers applying for a job as we say this.
No, there are
Dude, and
1,000
now-
engineers applying for a job during this sentence.
Yeah.
Dude,
Yeah.
now there are apps. Now there are apps that will make you a fully qualified engineer by the time you are 6 years old. So, I mean, what are we talking?
Wow.
अपना legit
And
business
this
model
app
है.
was made by a kid who's an engineer and he is 3 years old. Okay, so next, India has the world's third largest military. By the way, we are also the biggest exporters of arms in the world.
Not exporters,
Yet we've
importers.
not importers. Sorry,
Importers.
importers
Yeah.
of arms in the world.
And twice as many legs.
Good.
Oh no. Adar, do you know this is a historic moment because you have said something incredibly stupid and you have broken Neville. You
Yeah.
have broken him. He's never going to be the same person again. Fuck, Neville is not going to get through this episode now. It's over.
Yeah, we have 10 minutes left.
Neville, do you wanna take a moment?
It was, I think it was the me saying it and then throwing that seeing that in my mouth. I think it was a combination. And
Yes. For our Spotify viewers, that's what happened.
Yeah.
Other said that fact.
Then, not just third largest military, we are also second largest troop contributor to the UN peacekeeping forces in the world.
Sure.
nice.
तो अमेरिका जो भी कंट्री में राडा कराता है टाका फिराने हम लोग जाते हैं. अरे नहीं भाई लोग, it's okay, don't
Also,
worry.
we are one of the few countries who haven't like ever in our history, we've never attacked another country.
Yeah, in spite of being largest importer of arms, हाँ मतलब
Yeah.
फिर भी हम लोग अटैक नहीं किए. Then obviously we spoke about Chandrayaan and
We
discovering
never,
water on the
like,
moon.
okay. Since
Bhawa
we're
is
talking
still
about
tripping
space.
on the legs joke.
Is still tripping. Space
Oh,
में, since we're
fuck.
talking, the Kumbh Mela.
अरे
and
ये
this is
किया है
like
अपन आदर.
2001. Last time किया था ना, last podcast में किया था.
Most number of people coming and
And can be
being
seen from space.
yeah. Yeah.
It's the largest congregation of people being seen from space.
By the way, there's a school called the City Montessori School. I think it's in Lucknow, if I'm not mistaken. It is the largest school in the world. You know how many students it has?
How many?
45,000. Montessori.
No teacher. If all the students decide to go on a riot, like, what will the teachers do, dude?
I'm back, guys.
इन लोग अकेले ये स्कूल के स्टूडेंट्स अकेले जूम का सर्वर डाउन कर सकते हैं इन वन क्लास.
जो उन लोग ही बनाएंगे
कौतुक अटक गया
engineer है.
guys. कौतुक अटक गया guys.
Bhawa,
Good.
you
So
have
I
to-
think internet facts तो अपन ने बहुत किए, but I think we should wrap it up by saying a few good words for our country. Why we feel our country is the best country in the world. Baba, tu start kar. Since you've been in this country longer than all of us combined.
You were there when it was formed.
Why is India the best country in the world?
Dude, don't make me get into a Will McAvoy speech by asking for it like that.
Come on, do it.
Oh, nice. Aaron Sorkin था ना वो भी? नहीं. Was it Sorkin?
Yeah.
No, it was the opening scene of Newsroom.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Right. It was one of
It's the only scene of newsroom that keeps getting shared on social media. America is not the greatest country in the world, but it could be.
The thing is, yeah. So I mean, I like a couple of things. I also like the fact that हम लोग थोड़ा ऐसा I mean, it's incorrect to say it, but there's a whenever you travel abroad, you're always on tenterhooks. Like you're like, oh God, are you doing something wrong? Are you doing something? Ye ghar hai, bro. Like it's a home feeling. Like when you land back from a foreign country, you're just like, abhi मैं रास्ते पे भी मुतेगा तो मैं निकल जाएगा safely. But I'm saying that that's not the
Is that what you're looking forward to when you're in New York
Of
roaming
all
around in
the
Manhattan?
things
It's like, काश मैं रास्ते पे मूत सकता यहाँ पे.
वो साले
तब घर की
25,000
याद
का
आती.
मील खा रहा है,
Not
उसको देखो
fair.
रास्ते में मुतना है. क्या है ये?
That is not fair. That is clearly
not what I meant.
That is
I-
exactly
that's
what you
clearly
meant, Baba.
that
You
it's
could
got
not
to
have said
do.
it
We
more
are
clearly.
twisting your words before
Reaction,
anybody else
मेरा
on
audio
social media
system.
does so.
No. That's clearly not what I meant. What I meant is that there is a certain ये घर है bro, वो एक feeling आ जाता है. It's almost like when you come back home, it's that same thing. So I think being born and brought up here, I know that there's a lot of privilege.
Correct.
No. But there's a lot of privilege that comes with being who we are, not just from a gender perspective or from a money perspective or from a means perspective. I understand that, but or even for that matter, a religious perspective. I think that there's a lot of privilege that comes with it, but there is a feeling of home whenever I land from outside the country, and it sort of makes me feel fairly like, it's so stupid and so silly, but like when you land from any country and you land in India, whatever, the pilot makes that announcement of like, welcome to Chhatrapati Shivaji International. If you are transiting through here, have a good time, and for our fellow Indians, welcome home. वो जब welcome home बोलता है ना, देख वापस goosebumps. मेरे को एक, I don't know why, it's just there. It's a feeling that I can't explain. It's a real thing.
Fair. For me, I
You're
think,
basically
like
an NRI in your heart.
bachpan mein, we used to hear one tagline, right? Every time India was mentioned, and that tagline, you realize the importance of it as you grow up. You don't realize as much when you're younger, because at that time you're just mugging up a line and saying it. But the term unity and diversity, right, which is used a lot when India has been described by either people living here or people from outside looking back at India. That I think is the most beautiful thing about our country, right? And it has been.
And it's also being and it's
30
also being
we have
misused.
36 we have 36 million gods. We have 3 million churches, millions of mosques. You have rain one side, sun one side, snow one side, humidity one side, and Bombay. Then there's so many things that we have that are so diverse and different from each other, yet it comes together in this very
In one time zone.
in
It
one
all comes together in one time zone.
There is a madness in the chaos that exists here. Like there is
Yeah.
method to the chaos, which is what's exciting. Kautuk फिर
In
से
fact, dude,
अटक गया.
you know
Oh,
how
thank
much
God, Kautuk है.
University
मेरे
of
को लगा अटक
Diversity,
गया.
you know how much University of Diversity we have is that we are the only
University
country
of
in the whole
Diversity,
world.
नहीं, Unity of Diversity.
अरे we'll have a University of
Unity
Diversity
of
also.
Yeah,
whatever, यार.
University of Diversity also.
तेरे को
do
पता नहीं
whatever
है,
you
year
want to do.
उसका भी
2600
entrance
BC में था
exam के
अपने
लिए
पास.
कट ऑफ बहुत हाई होगा.
Do-
वो
do
यूनिवर्सिटी
whatever
का भी
you want.
entrance exam का कट ऑफ बहुत हाई होगा.
We are the only country that has tigers and lions as a native population. That's how much unity and diversity we have, dude. और किधर भी नहीं है.
नहीं, but तू वही
But,
सोचना यार, like anything that is good right now, considered good in the world, whether in terms of a diet, your self-care, you name it, we've all had stuff about this in our culture for thousands and thousands of years, right?
Yeah.
Like, which is why we were so self-sufficient. And I think that is the beauty of India. It might be misconstrued or misused by people, but at the end of it, the core of who we are is the fact that भाई मैं अलग हूँ, तू अलग है, ये अलग है, ऐसे अपन 1000 लोग अलग है, लेकिन हम लोग साथ में यहाँ रह रहे हैं, and we are living, surviving and existing very very nicely
मजानी life.
together. मजानी life में. So I think that
No,
that one
I
thing
mean,
for a fact.
I know for a fact that we come from a lot of privilege for a lot of reasons, but I still think that, like, and I mean, also forget gender and all of that is fine, but also being in Bombay, it's a huge, like, there is like tremendous privilege being in this city.
I'm technically not in Bombay. I'm
Yeah.
not in Bombay, but sure.
anymore,
You know,
but
and these big moments, right? Like for example, a 26th Jan or a 15th August or whatever. Like these big India moments make you sort of examine that
And
Indianness.
reflect
Like,
on it,
what is-
correct.
Yeah. What is Indianness? And the more you think about what is Indianness, you realize that when you factor in all the things that make up India, right? All the states, all the people, all the religions, everything that makes up India, you realize that there is not a single Indianness. There are multiple of them,
Yeah.
right? But
Yeah.
and like Varun and Neville was saying, like the whole point is to value and sort of like preserve each type of that Indianness.
Boom.
Like it makes no sense to just say ki we'll all just be the one type of person. No, man.
Yeah.
Like the
Yeah.
beauty of this country is that there are multiple of us and we survive and thrive together.
Yeah.
So I think that's one of the cool things about India. Like it's crazy. Like you can, and if you've done like as comics, right? We've all done multiple shows in different states. And when you go to each of these states, you realize how fucking diverse this country is, how
And
different the
each
country is.
each city you
And
perform in
yet-
can be its own special. Like
Yes.
there's so
Yeah,
much
but-
happening.
Yeah.
Yeah, but they all laugh at Lund jokes. So that is,
Yeah,
that is the one
that's what
commonality.
sucks.
No,
That
but
is- that is the
also,
beauty
I
of
mean, for all its faults that this nation has, and there are many that in the current environment, even with comics and our own colleagues who are suffering right now,
Yeah, no shit, dude.
there is many faults. There is some beauty and there is some solace and there is some hope, because there are people who are also on the other side fighting for that, which is what
That is the other thing. Yeah. Yeah.
So-
No, which we should support, which we should
Yeah,
support and
absolutely.
get behind of, because if you want to enjoy the other thing we are talking about, you need to back people who are fighting for it, as Baba said. I think that's very
Yeah.
important. That's been like the foundation of who we are as a people, that there is a certain way all of us want to live and we're willing to fight for it to get to that level. So 100%.
Yep. And on that note, ladies and gentlemen, like karo, share se karo. Hey, I had to make one small announcement on. We had a contest on Discord. They had a quiz show thing on Discord recently, and we had 3 winners. I just
Holy
want to.
shit.
Oh God, Adar.
Oh my god,
Just-
Incredible
just
India,
showing
dude. What an
you,
ad.
sunset, dude.
Nice, nice.
This is every day.
Okay, so
The
I just
sun,
wanted to
yes.
say that they wrapped up the quiz on Saturday, and you can join our Discord and you can think, because the winners, by the way, and you guys, congratulations to them. Thorkut came first, Sanjeet and Vamsi. These 3, congratulations. Good job on the Discord. Join
Who's
Discord.
doing
We're
this quiz? You
events.
conducted a quiz?
No.
No,
There's community. It's an extremely thriving, extremely
Somebody
active
explain to me what the fuck Discord is every
I'll
week.
call you. I'll
Every
call you and
week.
explain it. I'll call you and I'll explain it to you. But
Kya
Varun, you don't
karte
have
hain?
the time or the patience to do it. Trust me. So, but anyway, go join the Discord community, etc. Kautuk, if you are alive, just move a little bit because it keeps looking like you're stuck. But yeah, thank you so much, guys, for watching. Like,
Yeah,
share.
Happy Republic
love
Day.
that. Happy
Yeah,
Republic Day.
Like, share,
Also,
subscribe, comment.
I'm going to be dropping a new stand-up clip soon. So when it drops, please drop in and say Tisse Ayala, and it'll be great. Oh,
And-
by the way, dude, the last video, the comments have just been Nimbu Pani.
Yeah.
So fuck, well done, guys.
Anything for engagement. But no, actually write other stuff also, and not just Nimbu Pani, guys.
Yeah. Right. What you felt about the video. It'll be fun to hear from you guys.
Yeah, and on this amazing day of Republic Day, please make sure that you guys will do your best to be the best version of yourself for you and your fellow countrymen, and will do everything you can to preserve the amazingness that is India. Wow, this is what happens when you just try and riff.
Yeah.
I mean, I
Our
genuinely
cut-
thought to at least
Guys, don't be
Jai Hind se
assholes.
to end
Don't be
karega.
assholes. Don't be assholes. I
Yeah,
think
don't be
that's
assholes
the-
to each other. Just be nice.
Yeah, I think
Enjoy.
that's the gist of it. All Indians are not assholes. Like, it's just
They're all your brothers and sisters. Except Sheetal. She's my crush. Okay.
Okay, bye,
On
guys.
that note,
See you.
thank you so
How
much,
about
guys.
the joke, dude? It took
See
1
you.
hour.
yeah, बाबा और जेल लगा अपने बाल में.
Bye.